Hello guys, welcome back to Vertical Preps. So today we are going to simplify this question without using a calculator. So we have 2 exponent 22 minus 22 exponent 2. So we are going to simplify this without using a calculator. Please remember this. And if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So this 2 exponent 22, we can rewrite it as 2 exponent 2 times 11, which is the same as 22, minus 22 exponent 2. So from here, we can write this as 2 exponent 11 bracket squared, okay, minus 22 squared. So from here, we can decide to use differences of two squares, okay, which says that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b, like this, okay. So let us transform our equation into the results of difference of two squares. So we are going to get 22 exponent 11 minus 22, then plus 2 exponent 11, 22. This. Okay. So from here, we need to express this 22 in a whole thing. Okay. So let us solve for 22 since we are not using calculator. 2 exponent 11. So we say that 2 exponent 11 is equal to this. We can write it as 2 exponent 10, okay, multiplied by 2 exponent 1. Now, 2 exponent 10, we can write that 2 exponent 5 multiplied by 2 exponent 5 multiplied by 2, okay, and 2 exponent 5 is 32, multiplied by 32 multiplied by 2. Now, this, let us break it down. 32, we can say that 32 into bracket 30 plus 2 multiplied by 2, okay, and then 32 times 30, we are getting 960, and then 32 times 2, we are getting 64, so multiply by 2. So now when you add these two together, we are going to get 1024 multiplying by 2. And 1024 multiplied by 2, we are going to get 2048. So 2 exponent 11 is equal to 2048. Now, so back to our expression, which was 2 exponent 11 minus 22 into bracket 2 exponent 11 plus 22 is now going to be 2 exponent 11 is 2048 minus 22 to bracket 2048 plus 22, and this. So now 2048 minus 22, we are going to get 2026. And then 2048 plus 22, we are going to get 2070. Now, we have to multiply these two huge figures together. So let us decide to break one down. So let's multiply 2026 into bracket by this one. You can say that 2000 plus 70. That is. So 2026 times this. So let's multiply these three zeros first. So it will be 0, 0, 0. And then 2 times 6, which is 12. So we have 2 under 1. Then we have 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1, we have 5. This times this is 0, which is 4. Then plus this 0 times everything here, we are going to get This time, so we are going to get 0. Then we put 0. 7 times 6, we are getting 42. So 2, a remainder of 4. Now, 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 4, which is 18. So 8, a remainder of 1 here. 7 times 0 is 0. So plus 1 is 1. 7 times 2, which is 14. So now we need to add these two figures together. So let's add them in a simple way. We have 0 plus 0, getting 0. 2 plus 0, which is 2. 8 plus 0, which is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. Then we have our 4 here. So this is our final answer for this question. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye-bye.